Today I will share how to make cute Tic Tac labels for a bridal shower, all using a free SVG. Hello, I am Katie from thecraftyblogStalker.com, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. These are most of the supplies that I'm using, and you can find a complete supply list with links in the description of this video and in the blog post. I am starting in Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to open a new project. I'm going to come over here to upload my design. Find that on my computer. There it is. Click continue. Now if I wanted to, I could add some tags like Tic Tac or wedding. That is completely optional. I'm going to click on upload, and there is the file. This file is sized perfectly for the 0.63 ounce Tic Tac boxes, so we don't need to make any changes to the size. Before I print and cut this, I want to personalize it. I'm going to add a text box that says Jessica and Hayden, because that's whose wedding shower this is for. I want to change the font to Mochi, that one. Then I can turn this so it is 90 degrees and shrink that, go in closer on our project. I do want that to go the other way, so I'm going to flip it. That looks good. I'm going to change that color to white. Center align all of the layers. I'm going to make sure all layers are highlighted, and I'm going to flatten. There is my print and cut. I'm going to click on make. I want to make 30 of these. I'm going to apply. It adds all of my labels there. I am ready to print. So I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to make sure I have at least 3 sheets of my printable vinyl, and I'm going to put that into my printer tray. Going to send to printer, and I'm just going to print them all at once. So I'm going to say 3 copies. Here are my printed labels. Under materials, I'm going to search for printable vinyl. Click on that one. Grab our mat and remove that cover sheet. Stick it to our mat and press it down with the brayer. Got our Cricut ready to go. Load my mat. And now that this light is blinking, I can hit that and it will begin the cut. Unload my mat and then repeat with my other printed sheets. All of our labels have been print and cut. And check out these Tic Tacs. Are these just not the cutest thing? There's 27 in this bigger Tic Tac box, and each of them is 0.63 ounces. Open this up, take out some Tic Tacs so we can put some labels on them. I'm going to use a weeding tool just to help me separate the front sticker part from the paper. Peel that up. I've got my sticker, and I'm going to lay that over the top, making sure that this label covers this label completely. Push that down on the top, then push the back down and push the front down. How cute is that? Meant to be. These are going to be a little party favor for a bridal shower that we are throwing her, and these are going to be perfect. Now all of these cute little Tic Tacs have a label. Aren't these so cute? Thank you for joining me today. If you want more fun craft tutorials, make sure to check out my website, thecraftyblogStalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.